Agriculture cooperatives Grazanka have 20 years of experience in production of vegetables. We know all the problems of production on small lands. We constantly investigate and follow the world technology in this production. The number of farmers in this production amounts to annual averages 200. They which guarantee the access and continuity of production. We had a lot of similar projects that have been successfully implemented. World increase production capacity with market. They make a quality product in terms of freshness, package and control quality. World create the conditions for long-term production on a small property by processing capacity in Bosnia and Herzegovina and the European Union. Development of rural areas with small land holdings. We guarantee admission and invest of this product. Sales orientation is in the European Union. Amendment to the budget of the rural population on small properties. And this project will change the power association of agriculture producers.